Watching a soap opera, I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night, could you be mine? We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy.
She saw us. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylaharnae. Hey, hi there. Okay, so we're on our way to a dolphin tour. We're gonna see little dolphins, little people who make squeeze, people who make squeeze, people who make squeeze.
What did you say?
And we're in the car. Neely's with Antia and Care. It's Kwani, Sisters, Pop, and Lovers right there. She got her crown on. So we're about to do that. I didn't take my camera. I'm recording my phone because obviously boat camera, absolutely not. But I do have my little bag. But yeah, we're on our way. And we went to the beach, had a nice little time. And now we're just going on the the dolphin tour. And we'll see you when we get there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh. You caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard.
Foot 2 stumps, left foot 2 stumps. Slide to the left, slide to the right. 2 stumps. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Everybody clap your hands. Go ahead. Here you go. Can you go down low? Cha-cha again. Turn it out.
bien.
So who got this snapping and cracking? Is this the crack?
That's where it is, Kayla,
What they do the crack with a crack? It's some loose crack, man.
We are back inside. I'm about to wash this face over and do it again. I'm about to get in the shower, about to do all that, and I'll see you.
I am missing my reflection, and every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion.